G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans and welcome to another exciting week of Nova News. Now, one of the most common questions we get asked is what we actually do during a factory tour. So what we thought we'd actually do is why not ask some people why they're doing the factory tour. So if you ever want to come and do a factory tour here at Nova Caravans, just simply email reception at Nova Caravans. We have an open factory on Wednesday afternoons at 2 o'clock, but it is by appointment only because sometimes we do get a lot of people. So let's see who we have here. Now this must be Ken and Claire. Hi Ken.
Hi, how are you?
Hi Claire, nice to meet you.
Hi.
And we all know Adam. So factory tour, how did it go?
Really
Really
good.
good, really impressive.
Excellent. Would you encourage people to come and do a factory tour either before they purchase or after they purchase?
I think before they purchase.
Before you purchase?
Absolutely, yeah.
Excellent. And what would you say was the most interesting part of the tour?
I think really seeing how the van's made.
Yeah.
Because you go into a showroom and you're just buying a van, you've got no idea
Yep.
what the quality is, of the quality of build, of people that are building it.
Excellent.
It's a shell, you don't know what you're
Yeah,
getting.
they're built inside out. They're
it's really
totally
impressive.
different. Excellent, excellent.
And I guess as you ask questions, you get to formulate some of the things you perhaps need to order or include.
Excellent,
that
excellent.
you didn't think about.
Yeah. So everyone knows Adam. Adam obviously does most of our factory tours. How long's a tour normally take, Ads?
About 45 minutes to an hour,
Yep, excellent.
and you get to deal with me.
And you get to deal with Adam. So there you go. Thanks for coming down to the factory tour. Don't forget, if you want to come and do a factory tour, reception at novacaravans.com.au. We'll see you next week for Nova News.